welcome back to Craft Time after Rhyme Time. Today, if you listen to Miss Nucha's video, the letter is P. And for P, we're going to be making a pig out of our hand. So we're either going to trace our hand or we can dip it in paint if you have some paint and you want to get messy today. And then we're going to add some other simple shapes to make it a pig. So go grab the supplies you want to use today and let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to trace our hand, but not our thumb, because where our thumb is going to be our head. So we're going to trace the top of our palm to our fingers, which are our legs. And the fun thing to do is if you're doing this with somebody younger, let them have a turn with your hand, and then you do their hand. That way they don't get frustrated. I know this can be a hard skill to develop. So here we have the top of our hand, and we're going to flip it over. So now these are our feet, and our head's going to be here. Our next step is we're going to draw a circle for our head. Once we have our circle, we're going to add our ears, which are going to be triangles to the side. And we can add our interior triangles. And we're going to arch our back to our head now. And then we're going to add our tail. You can either do a little curly Q tail or a little carrot tail again. If you want to go thicker, just remember to draw over your line again. Simple little way to get a thicker little line. Then we're going to add an oval for our snout. 2 little dots inside. And now I'm going to switch over to my black marker. For my black, I'm going to be adding our hooves and our eyes. And you can do whatever kind of eyes you want. If you want to do open eyes, closed eyes. I love this simple little arch for closed eyes. He looks so happy and joyful. And then our hooves, we're going to, at the very bottom of our fingers, we're going to draw a line across. And then a little carrot, that same little V shape, and we're going to color the rest in. There we go. And now we can go ahead, we can color the rest of our pig in pink, add any other details you want to. If you want to put mud on him, anything you want, we're almost done. And you can see where I had pink lines, I went over the pink twice to make it darker in those areas. So now remember, you can go ahead and add any details, put any kind of background in your picture. Where is your pig standing? What's the story that's happening with your drawing? Go ahead and add that, and then you're done. So I hope you had fun making your hand pig for the letter P for Rhyme Time Crafts. And remember, if you liked it, post it on the Winfield Public Library's Facebook page and tag me and the Winfield Library, and we'd love to see it. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Winfield Public Library so you see all their new fun videos. And if you want more crafts and more art, subscribe to my page, Marisa Choate. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I can't wait to see all your cute pigs. Bye, friends!